Hi everybody, it's Ryan from Ryan G's Barbecue and Stuff. Today I'm going to be making a White Russian. It's a very simple cocktail, only a few ingredients, but I'm going to put a bit of a twist on it. Instead of using normal vodka, I'm going to use some vanilla vodka, just to lift it up a little bit with some double cream. I don't know, it's not strictly a traditional White Russian, but I'm going to give it a go. Okay, before I get underway with this cocktail, I'd like to remind everyone to go check out my fellow collaborators' channels. They are Chef Adventures, Just 88, Robbie P2 Vlogs, Jamie Mack and Cook Classy. They're going to have some delicious drinks, so please go check out their channels. I'll put some links in the iCards that you're going to see floating around. Check them out, they're going to be fantastic. So let's get back to building this cocktail. First off, we're going to need 3 parts vodka, or I'm using some Absolut Vanilla vodka just because I can, and I think it'll taste quite nice. So that's a double. And that's a single. So we've got 3 parts vanilla vodka. Then we're going to have 2 parts coffee liqueur. Then what I'm going to do is load it up with a bit of cream on top, and I'm sure it's going to taste delicious. So I'll just put a bit of cream on there, layer it on a bit. There we go. Perfect. Right, so I'm just going to give this cocktail a bit of a mix up. Look at that. If you didn't know any better, you'd probably think you was drinking coffee. Bit of a taste test. That's really good. Really creamy. You can taste the coffee in it. The vanilla, I think, is definitely a winner. Just because, I don't know, it almost tastes like a latte, like a vanilla latte. I think you could drink a load of these and probably end up really drunk. So, if you like what I do, please do hit the subscription button. Check out the videos below. Also, check out my fellow collaborators for the hashtag drinks tips. This is Ryan from Ryan G's Barbecue and Stuff. Cheers, guys. See you again soon. Hi everybody, it's Ryan G from